If you're a student wondering how to earn money while studying, then today's video is just for you. In today's digital era, earning money is no longer something you do only after getting a degree. Now, you can smartly generate income even while attending college. Just imagine working from home, using your laptop or mobile phone, setting your own schedule, and becoming financially independent. All of this is possible. All you need is the right direction and the right platform, and that's exactly what I'll walk you through today, step by step. So make sure to watch the video till the end because I'll show you 7 solid ways you can earn money online without investment, without falling into scams, and without disturbing your studies. Let's get started. Number 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is an option where you can sell your talent in the market without a boss and without a fixed schedule. If you know graphic designing, video editing, programming, or content writing, you can create your profile on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer, and start looking for clients. Initially, you can take small gigs at low prices, like designing a logo for 200 rupees or writing an article for 500 rupees. As your reviews grow and your ratings improve, you'll attract higher-paying clients. The best part of freelancing is that you can work from your comfort zone, whether you're in a hostel or at home. One guy started just by making PowerPoint presentations and ended up earning 20,000 rupees a month. Becoming a freelancer means becoming self-employed, and developing that mindset during college can be gold for your future career. Number 2. Online tutoring. If you're strong in any subject, like math, science, coding, or English, then online teaching is a great option for you. Platforms like Vedantu, Chegg Tutors, and Superprof let you create a profile and teach students. You just need to give a demo, and if students like your style, they start paying for your classes. The hourly rate ranges from 300 to 1,000 rupees depending on your skill and experience. By teaching part-time, you can easily earn 800 to 2,000 rupees a day. One student started teaching math to juniors via Zoom and Google Meet, and now earns 25,000 rupees a month. You just need to know how to explain well and have some patience. The rest is easy with online tools. Number 3. Content creation. YouTube/Reels. If you have a mobile phone and a bit of creativity, you can become a content creator. YouTube, Instagram Reels, and TikTok are platforms that let you earn money. You can create educational content, entertainment videos, lifestyle vlogs, or gaming streams, whatever you like. Once your channel grows, you can earn from YouTube monetization, brand deals, affiliate marketing, and even paid shoutouts. One girl started making simple study with me videos without any fancy equipment and gained 100,000 subscribers in a year. Now she earns over 50,000 rupees a month through sponsored planners, stationery, and coaching ads. In content creation, consistency and originality are key, and if you maintain both, it can become a full-time career. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a model where you promote other brands' products and earn a commission on each sale. Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho, Coursera, and many others run affiliate programs. You just need to take their link and place it on your blog, Instagram story, or YouTube video description. When someone buys through that link, you earn 5%, 10%, or even 30% commission. One student made a video on best laptops for college students, added affiliate links under each product, and started earning 40,000 rupees a month. The best part? Once the link is up and goes viral, you keep earning passively without doing anything new. This is one of the simplest ways to earn passive income. Number 5. Selling digital products. If you have a skill that lets you create something, like handwritten notes, resume templates, planners, or digital art, you can sell them on platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or Etsy. One girl scanned her neat color-coded biology notes and sold them for 99 rupees, earning 75,000 rupees in just 3 months. You can create resume templates using Canva, planners using Notion, or coding cheat sheets and sell them. With digital products, you create once and sell repeatedly, a perfect model for students who want to earn despite having limited time. Number 6. Remote internships. Remote internships give you both real-world experience and money. You can apply for roles in content writing, graphic designing, SEO, or social media marketing through LinkedIn, Internshala, and AngelList. These internships can pay 3,000 to 15,000 rupees, depending on the company and your skills. One student did a part-time remote internship for an edtech startup and earned 35,000 rupees in 3 months, plus gained experience and a certificate. Remote internships teach you time management, communication, and professionalism. Priceless skills for the future. Number 7. Microtasks and paid surveys. If you don't want a full-fledged job but still want some pocket money, microtasking and paid surveys are a good option. Websites like Swagbucks, YSense, Timebucks, and Rozdan pay you for watching videos, filling out surveys, or completing small tasks. Each task pays 5 to 50 rupees, but if you work 1 to 2 hours daily with consistency, you can make 3,000 to 6,000 rupees per month. This is a great entry point for beginners who want to start earning online without taking risks. So friends, these were the 7+ ways through which you can smartly earn money online even while being a student. Remember, the beginning might be small, but with consistency and patience, you can achieve big results. Times have changed. A degree alone is not enough. Having skills, experience, and a side income is necessary. So decide now, which method will you start with? Freelancing, tutoring, or content creation? Let me know in the comments below. And if you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video with a new idea. Until then, study hard and earn smart.